Can I live in Canada and sell to the US market? Hey, Amazon business owners and soon to be Amazon business owners, it's Tim with ALGO Online Retail. I had the privilege last weekend of doing a training with about 300 of our brand new ALGO students, a 2-day intensive where we covered everything you need to know to get your first products on Amazon. In that training, I got a common question over the 2 days, and it was specific to Canadians. Canadians make up about 1/3 of ALGO students, and here's the question they have. Can I live in Canada and sell to the US market? Can I live in Canada and not only sell to Canadians on Amazon.ca, but sell to the US market on Amazon.com? Now, here's what I think they're doing. They have one income, they have a job, whatever, and they want a second income, and they realize that Amazon is a great place to get that second income. In addition to that, they realize that the US market is so much larger. The opportunity is so much bigger. So they want to sell to both. They want to sell to Canadians, they want to sell to people in the US on Amazon and make that second income. So first of all, here's the answer. The answer is yes, absolutely. You can live in Canada and sell to the US. Let me give you some basic steps, but I want to point out something. It's just steps. So where there is a will, there is a way. If you're motivated enough, you're going to be able to get this done. So our students, regardless of where you live, here's what we teach our students to do at ALGO. We teach you to sell popular name brands. You don't have to do any marketing. You don't have to create a brand. You don't have to have marketing to create brand awareness. You don't have to get a manufacturer. You sell popular name brands that already exist on Amazon. They're already selling. They're already selling. There are tens of millions, if not hundreds of millions of popular name brands on Amazon that you can sell. So that's what we teach our students how to do. How to find the suppliers, how to do the research, and how to analyze the buy box, who's winning the sales, how to do the shipping. We teach our students how to do all those steps. Now, here's where it's different for Canadians. And there's only one thing that's different. If you live in Canada and you want to sell to the US, you have to get a US entity. That's the only difference. You have to get a US entity. The rest of the things that are different are easy to do. So we are going to show you how to do all of that. In fact, I have a free 90-minute training that I'm going to show you exactly how to sell on Amazon, whether you live in Canada, you live in the US, whether you want to sell the Canadian market, the US market, or both. And I'll give you a hint, that's what you want to do. You want to do both. I want to show you how to do it. So I have a free live 90-minute training. There's a link right down there to get registered. I will be there live. I want to answer all of your questions. So Canadians specifically, again, you're 1/3 of our students here at ALGO are Canadians, and I know you want to sell in the US. I'll walk through the steps of everything that you need to do. All right, I'm excited to see you. I'll see you soon on that training. If you haven't done so recently, get out of nature and enjoy life. I'm out here having a hike and thought I'd do a quick video. I want to see you soon. So click on that link. I'll teach you how to do this the right way without making some mistakes. I'll be live 90 minutes. Click the link. I'll see you soon.